Whether you're just exploring or you've just gotten started with affiliate marketing, one of the biggest challenges that people face is getting enough traffic to their offer. Traffic simply is a fancy word for people checking out your offer, clicking your link. Now, the good news is that there is a crazy, profitable, virtually unlimited traffic strategy that you can start using in your business today so that you can multiply the traffic to your offer. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and stick with me throughout this video because I'm going to walk you through how to drastically multiply the amount of traffic that you're getting to your offer for free. Honestly, one of the best places to do affiliate marketing today is YouTube. YouTube really, frankly, crushes all other social media platforms. When you think about Instagram or Facebook, they're really more about networking. And you might get a fraction of the people who already follow you to see your content, to see your posts, unless you're doing paid ads. Compare that with YouTube, where it's actually a search engine. People go to YouTube specifically to look for information. So you can be seen and found by people who've never seen you before every single day through your videos. So the first step is to really know what benefit your offer provides its customers. What's the benefit, or what problem does it solve for them? So for example, say you're offering a dog training program. Your problem that it solves is, people whose dogs just don't stop barking. It can help them. Or they just can't potty train their dog and they're having accidents all over the house. Those are problems that your offer could solve for them. Or if you're an affiliate of a training program, that training program can provide step-by-step instructions on how people can start making money from home, creating time freedom, or just relieving the mounting pressure of debt. Now, once you have a really clear picture on who your offer helps, the next step is to figure out what they're searching YouTube for. Now, there's a great tool you can use for free to help you do this. It's called Keywords Everywhere. They offer it both as a Chrome extension and as a Firefox extension. To find it, just type in Keywords Everywhere download. Here we are. And here you can easily, quickly install this for Chrome or install this for Firefox. Now, I already have this on my computer, so I don't need to go through this process, but make sure that you do this right away. Now, this tool is super helpful because inside YouTube, if we head over here, it'll actually show us how many people are searching YouTube for specific terms. So if we go with that dog training example, let's just type in dog training. And it's telling us this information in gray right here is from Keywords Everywhere. It's saying 165,000 people per month are searching dog training. If you click on it, it'll also provide the information down below. So that tells you there is a ton of people looking for this information. Let's look up how to stop my dog from barking. The volume, 3,600 a month. That's still a lot of people looking for that. So Keywords Everywhere is going to show you what specific things people are looking for. Really important so that you know what to create your content about. What kind of videos you should be creating that's going to build an engaged audience where people are actually going to look for you and find you. Now, truthfully, this is only a part of the story. You need a little more information to make a really good decision on what kind of content you want to create. Now, the second piece of it is actually knowing how competitive it is to actually get to show up for that search. So how many YouTube creators are creating videos on that topic? The more competitive it is, the harder it is to show up within the very first handful of results. So we recommend a tool called TubeBuddy. It is an awesome tool that you can actually use for free. Now, I'm going to show it to you on my screen what this looks like, and what is important that I'm going to show you is totally free. It's with their free option. I do have a paid option, so you may see some additional stuff that's not included in the free. But the important part that you need is free. I do have a link to get signed up for TubeBuddy. It's our affiliate link in the description. Even if you're gonna use it for free, guys, go ahead and grab our link, because the further you go in YouTube, you may, like us, want to use some of their more advanced features as you become a more advanced creator. So you get signed up for TubeBuddy, you download the extension for Chrome, and now you're gonna have more really helpful information to help you know what kind of content to create. So on YouTube, this information right here is super valuable. This is actually telling us how competitive it is to rank videos, to show up at the top of the search results. So for this search in particular, how to stop my dog from barking, 3,600 people a month are searching for this, and it's actually got a really good score. So this is something I would definitely go for if you are in this niche. The higher the score, the easier it is to rank. The lower the score, the harder and more competitive it is. Now, we actually go for some pretty competitive keywords, but if you're first getting started, it may be a good idea to mix in non-competitive, and more competitive, so that you're getting your stuff ranked maybe for some lesser volume, but you can get right at the top. And then you're mixing in some of the searches that maybe have crazy amounts of volume, but are pretty competitive, so that you can start working your way up to really ranking for those higher things. And every once in a while, you hit a jackpot. Like, this is actually a really good term where it does have a good volume of searches per month, and it's going to be pretty easy to rank for. Yay! Now, these two tools, Keywords Everywhere and TubeBuddy, they're going to essentially tell you what content you should be creating for your niche. So get out the camera, start recording some videos, give some great information, some great content, and you don't have to be an expert, guys. We all have the internet. You can just look up stuff on the internet that pertains to your niche and share it with them. But whatever it is, it should make sense that at the end of the video, you're offering them your affiliate link to take the next step with you. YouTube is a goldmine because when you're creating videos that people are actually looking for, you're able to create unlimited traffic. It is awesome. Now, honestly, there's a lot of little tricks and things you can do to get your videos to rank at the top of the search results. But the biggest things to start off with, just the basics, is to know what that search term or phrase, whatever it is, make sure to include that in your title. And also list that as a tag on your video. If you do those two things and you create a great video that people like, that's really all you need to start ranking, especially for some of those not as competitive keywords. I've honestly seen some videos that were in a really competitive search that were ranking 1, 2, or 3 and didn't do any of the advanced SEO kind of stuff you can do for YouTube. So creating great content and doing those two things, putting your search term in the title and listing it as a tag, those two things are really all you need to get started and to start generating some traffic to your offer. If you're brand new to this, don't let it scare you off. It might seem daunting, but it's really not. Just take it step by step. After you do a couple videos, it's actually going to get a lot easier. And one of the best things about this is, yes, you have to put in the work to actually create the videos, figure out what the content is going to be, then create the videos and get it uploaded. But these videos are going to continue to bring you leads, to bring you sales for possibly years to come. It's like you're building online assets that'll serve you long term. It's essentially passive income. You do it once, you work on it, and then afterwards you're going to continue to get paid for it. Nice. Now, one thing to know too, guys, is that YouTube is going to reward you for the more content that you create. So get consistent and create a lot of videos. You might start off at once a week, but then try to work that up to maybe 3 days a week, to maybe once a day. It is a great platform and they're going to reward you for taking action. And by reward you, I mean simply showing your content to more people. Now, not all affiliate offers are created equally. If you want to check out our #1 recommendation for making money online, click the link at the top of the description so that you can get to full-time income as fast as possible. Again, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com. Know that we're rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. If you're new to our channel, say hi in the comments so that we can welcome you to the community. I'll see you soon.